Are you unhappy with the 3-to-1 fold of the Chemex filter and want a whole new world with a fantastic point of view? Then stay tuned. In our last video on Chemex Folding, we checked out the fold that I call the TIE Fighter fold because it reminds me of Darth Vader's TIE Fighter from the movie Star Wars. You know the one. If you want to see what that's all about, click up on the link here. Just to recap, the pine-based filter from Chemex is a 2-fold filter that has a 3-to-1 ply ratio when opened. Some baristas feel that this promotes uneven extraction, and they spend some time trying to find a different path. A few years ago while I was in Colombia to judge the Brewers Cup Championship, one of the baristas shared some techniques with me and we made this video. Thanks again to my man down in Colombia for the techniques. I'm really sorry to say that I still can't remember his name. I really appreciate the time spent with me. If you happen to see this, please drop your name down in the comments so that I'll know who you are and I can remember and I can give you the proper credit. This time we're going to get a little bit funky, so get some scissors and let's get to it. After opening the folded Chemex filter, cut down the half of one half of the filter. Open the left side, forming a Pac-Man shape, then fold the other side to the left, covering the lower half. And then fold it all up, reshaping the cone wedge. Then you can open the cut and folded filter from the center, leaving you with 2 layers all the way around, thus promoting even extraction. From there, just drop it into the Chemex. If you've got any Chemex filter folding techniques you'd like to share, please drop them in the comments below. We'd love to know what you're doing. While we use the FC100 round filters in this video, this technique will work with the square FS100 filters as well. Thanks very much for checking out this video. Please consider subscribing and let me know what videos you'd like to see in the future. Keep on brewing and love ya.